Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can enable page transitions in WordPress website. So for example, when we switch this navigation menu from one page to another page, then here we want to enable some page transitions. Like you can say that can be a style to open that page. So how we can enable that? Simply you can go to plugins and we can install a free plugin. Here you can go and search a plugin in WordPress plugin library. Here you can type view transitions, and after that here you can see this one, and the plugin have 5-star ratings, so directly you can install and activate. After that, under the settings, you can find in the discussion. Also, you can find out in installed plugins. Then scroll down, and here you can see this one. So now you need to select just design from top, bottom, left, right, whatever you want. For example, let me select this one, and after that click on save changes. Now let's go back and reload this page. Now here you can see it's working fine. So for example, if I go to this page, now here you can see effect is added.